Firstly, I want to thank everyone, each and every one of you, for coming here to grace this double occasion. One, Mr. Rai's birthday, and the launching of Rai the film. I want to say just a couple of lines about why I wanted to make this film. So I've been always attracted to very larger than life, and I always wanted to make films on larger than life characters ever since my first film, like Shiva Satya Company. Yeah, when I met Mr. Muttap Rai first time and heard his story from various sources, I never felt the impact of more larger than life in my entire life. See, the uniqueness of Mr. Muttap Rai's story for me is we've heard of controversial people, and there are a lot of rumors, allegations, and various things. And all of them, at some point of time, were either finished or they were nowhere to be seen. So whereas Mr. Muttap Rai, after all what we heard of him, today he is loved by lakhs and lakhs of people, and people only love him, respect him, and trust him, which is the complete opposite of one would expect from what we heard about him. So just now you proved the point with your extraordinary reaction on what I just now said. And this is what you are feeling now is exactly my feeling about Mr. Rai, and that is the reason I am making the film. Yeah. See, the film might be controversial. The film might have elements which people will be surprised at what is happening and what they are seeing. But the uniqueness of this film, the climax we already know, and he is sitting right in front of us. So when the climax is already here, sitting in this chair and in this kind of an extraordinary meeting with thousands and thousands of people coming to wish him on his birthday, and all the dignitaries and film industry people and political leaders, that itself is the proof of what he earned through his extraordinary life. See, I have done a lot of films in the genre of hard-hitting, like she said, power, or anything to deal with violence and everything. But Mr. Muttap Rai's story is far more complex than that and much more varied. See, Mr. Rai's story has a very unbelievable opposite mixture of guns and love. And he has violence and friendship. And he's got extreme anger and extreme respect from all you people. Lastly, I want to say, any filmmaker is as good as the subject matter he chooses, and any actor is as good as the role he gets. And I think today, Vivek Oberoi is an actor, I think, has got an opportunity as a lifetime of his lifetime to perform in something like the role of Mr. Rai. So, Mr. Vivek Oberoi, I want to tell you this: there was never a man like Rai, and there never will be a man like Rai. So that is a challenge. And the final word I want to say, see, any director fails only when he chooses the wrong subject, or if the story is bad. Most of the time, 99% of the cases it will be that. And I think I've got the best story ever of my career in Rai, and I have to work very hard to spoil it. And Mr. Rai, my only request, sir, to you is, I know that you renounced your earlier life and you've come into peace and philanthropy and working for the people of Karnataka, a great thing. But my only request is, if I spoil this film, I want you to come back into earlier life and kill me. Thank you very much, sir.
ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಲೂಸರ್ ಶೋ? ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. Very warm welcome to you, sir. Once again, I would like to invite Mr. Ram Gopal Verma on stage. Please join us on stage, sir. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Let's welcome Mr. Raju Chedda, MD of Bollywood biggest production company, Way Films. Mr. Chedda, a very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ, ಬನ್ನಿ. Mr. Parag Sanghvi on stage, a very warm welcome to you, sir. Mr. Rahu Potting, Mr. Parag Sanghvi ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ Mr. Rahul Mitra ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ Mr. Gopal ಅವರು, they are all three of them are a very warm welcome to Mr. Kumar, who is releasing Rai in Telugu. We'd like to welcome Mr. Gangaraju, President of South Indian Film Chamber, who's releasing Rai in Tamil version. ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಂಗರಾಜು ಅವರು, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಗಂಗರಾಜು ಅವರು, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೌತ್. ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ತೆಲುಗಲ್ಲಿ, ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ಬರ್ಸೋ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. All of you to please come to the center of the stage. The first look poster of Rai. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಯಾರು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಚಿತ್ರ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ರಾಯ್ ಅವರು. ನೀವು ಕೇಳೋದೇ ಚಾವ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಚಾವ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲಾಂಚಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಚಿರಋಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸದಾ ಕಾಲ ನನಗಿರಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಭರವಸೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಚೆಕ್ 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 ಚೆಕ್.
ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲೂ ಜಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ,
ಜಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. Thank you so much for all the love and respect, all the abhimana you have given me for being the Aliya of Karnataka. Is to play the character of Muttappan. Anna, I want your blessings, Anna. I want your Ashirvada. The world has heard of Bengal tiger, but after the film Rai, Tiger of Karnataka. Thank you.
Thanks a ton. Thank you.
Little suggestions he would give, but he's a fabulous, not just a director, he's a fabulous actor. And he would come and tell us, okay, this is how you're supposed to do a scene. So if